gonna attempt the first crank up since we've done the fuel injectors, coil packs, fuel filter, all that jazz. So let's see what she does. She's running. See if she's charging. We are charging. What you're looking at is full articulation with a negative articulation on the driver's side. So she's twisted up right here. Check out that rear. It's almost touching. And then we got plenty of room there.
Don't you worry, I got that gas jug. It's bad gas, I gotta get it out. Man, I need a new fuel tank. I'm just being lazy.
Stand beside it. Let me see how low it looks.
Megan's only 5 foot.
It's low. Smell of gas.
In this moment of editing the video, I realize I have a serious problem with two-door short bed Fords. And it's time, let's get this Ranger running so I can get it off the trailer.
I just heard a fuel pump. Well, if I was 16 in high school, I'd drive the wheels off this thing. So this key cylinder was pulled. I'm putting it back in and getting it wired up. I guess they did that so it wouldn't get stolen. They've had some cars stolen. Let me keep finagling with this and we'll see how she turns out. I wasn't around in the 80s, but let me tell you this. I just time traveled back there. This thing fits perfect, but it don't fit perfect. I need this pin to get smashed. It's just not wanting to give me the goat here. keys in it. I think that's neutral. That's the widest shift pattern I've seen in my life. I don't have any gauges or anything. Now we got one wiper. I have a wooden blinker. Oh, and it works. All right, I need to jump this thing and see if I can't get it to fire up. Ha ha! I'm gonna go for some starter fluid. See if she'll run. It's the world's worst connection.
My battery terminal's about to fall off.
I'm trying. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. I think it's been sitting 15, 20 years. Boy, she's burning some more, isn't she?
Got you.
I cannot find reverse.
Well, if I get reverse. Wrong way.
Can't find reverse. Oh no, my Japanese maple.
Not bad, Richard. Want to hop in? I'll pull it around back.
How funny is that? I can't believe this thing's driving.
Man,
I have no brakes, Richard.
You got it going on.
We got it going. See if I can get her parked back here, okay? My only brake is gonna be my clutch. Oh, that's nasty.
Richard, I think I got you a new truck.
All right.
we go. See if I can kill it. There we go.
Maybe you got you a gold mine.